Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to download Google Maps route offline on Android and iPhone. So guys, this will be just the same process if you're using Android and iPhone. So first, just simply open up your Google Maps application into your device. And now just simply select your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now you should be able to see here offline maps. So select that. And from here, just simply select your own map at the bottom of the app. And from here, guys, just simply go for the location of the map that you want to download. And of course, guys, the bigger the map, the more storage that it will take. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one over here. And now just simply select download at the bottom. And from here, just simply wait for it to be downloaded. And once it is done downloading, guys, you could just simply select the three dots over here and you could update it and you could view it and you could rename it as well. And you could just simply delete it if you don't want it anymore. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.